What's up, everybody?
Today, I have to discuss the important topic of education because in our countries, or the trend which is globally now presented is that skills and the education is not that valuable, and you have to take the short term goals and short term paths or get success. So, I have to discuss the five basics of education which gives us the ability to move forward in our lives.
So, first thing is that education gives you the ability to think. If you're talking about the Western mythology or Western culture, is all about thinking,
Or the Abrahamic religions is also about the teachings of God,
is that you have to think in order to understand this world. If someone is not educated, he is not able to think. He is just stuck on one side and cannot go ahead.
so second thing which education gives you is that ability to question.
When you when the thinking arrives, then the question arrives as well,
So ability to question is a big skill
which gives you the
inward thinking of you to the outside world, where I am standing right now, what my thinking and what the other people think
of
this particular topic. The third point which education can give you only is that education gives you
patience. If you want to build a business, it needs patience. If you want to build anything, it requires patience. But education also requires patience. If you have to make $1 million,
everyone can make $1 million. If you're going to go to the one point, you can make
billions or millions or whatever. But you cannot.
complete your bachelor's degrees in 1 year. You have to spend 4 years and the hard work you have to put in, then you get a bachelor's degree. The fourth point is that education gives you the ability to accept
Why?
exam not clear, or I have failed, or I have low GPA, or whatever. The thing is that the fault is not in the education system or an exam, the fault is in you. If you have put a work there, if you put or pick a subject of your own standard, on your own abilities,
You can perform well.
exactly.
So, in education, you have to accept things. So, you cannot blame others, you can blame yourself so that you can improve yourself. The fifth point and the last point which I have is that education is for the character building of a man. At the end of the day, character matters. If you're talking about Winston Churchill, he spent days in Harrow learning English, and then 2 years cleared his exams. Another smart people can clear in just 1 year. But that patience gives you the ability to rule Britain, and then Britain won the World War II under him, and exactly. So character building is most important thing.
If you build
A foundation of character, then you can move forward. Otherwise, there is no place.
in the world for you. Thank you so much.
For watching this video. Bye bye.